Mwiroreri wa television ya Kameme TV ndakugeithia ndakunyita ugeni miarahoko ya muthenya wa umuthi ni tariki 11 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2020 ngehoka ati muthenya wa umuthi no urathie na mbere na mihango yaku ya oro muthenya na ngagikuririkania ati ni mweri wa muthia wa mwaka uyu tuthie na mbere na kwegitira na kinguki gia COVID-19 nigetha tugikorwo tukinyihanyihia namba ya andu aria maranyitikana na murimu uyu nie njitagwo Gichimu tugukorwo tugiteithania na wagoi mwari wa Mwangi uria niwe mwathiriri na njira ya ciiko thiini wa ikereka ria mohoro maitu mohoro gitao thaa 7 cia miaraho tukiambiriria kamiti ya kunyabara ruhonge rwa ucirithania guku bururi-ini ya JSC riu neo kana ya JSC ni reganite na mendekithia ma report ya BBI kiuga ati riendekithia ria gukorwo na nyabara ruhonge-ini ruru niwe ombudsman niriraariana na wira uria ukoretwo ukirutwo ni kamiti no ya JSC mucirithania munene David Maraga uria no we muikariri giti wa JSC augite ati ti kurega mararega ruhonge rwa ucirithania ruthurimwo no ni kwagereire gukorwo gukihuthirwo gatiba nigetha wira ucio ukorwo ukirutwo.
While underlining judicial independence, judicial accountability is equally important and must be embraced without compromising independence. In fact, the first BBI task force report published in 2019 offered a broad recommendation that strong reforms need to be undertaken to increase public confidence in the judiciary. In doing so, the task force acknowledged the need to guard the independence of the judiciary while also seeking to enhance its accountability to the people of Kenya. The BBI Steering Committee, in its final report, has made far-reaching recommendations regarding the creation of the Judiciary Ombudsman, who shall be appointed by the President with the approval of the Senate. Several concerns arise from this proposal. The Constitution vests in the Judicial Service Commission, an independent commission, the responsibility of ensuring the independence and accountability of the judiciary. The result of the BBI proposal is a direct conflict and a duplication of roles between the Ombudsman and the Judicial Service Commission. The risk of parallel complaints being instituted with the JSC as well as the Ombudsman and the possibility of different decisions being arrived at is real and may result into a constitutional quagmire. Of greater concern is the fact that there already exists other alternative channels such as the Office of the Judiciary Ombudsman and the Commission on Administration of Justice through which the public can voice complaints. For meaningful independence of the judiciary, there should also be no uncertainty or confusion about the complaint and the removal mechanism. Secondly, the proposal seeks to enhance the number of executive appointees in the JSC from 4 to 5. The unusually heavy tilt towards executive representation in the JSC compared to other commissions has the potential danger of entrenching executive authority in the JSC and by extension in the
tugitigana na icio cia kamiti ya JSC ni ati mehariria mothe magutabania igongona haria mambura ma Jamhuri muthenya wa rucio riu ni marikireire na njira njega. County Commissioner wa County ya Nairobi James Kianda no heanite uhoro uyu akiuga ati hingo ya igongona riri mitaratara yothe ya kuhitana na murimu wa COVID-19 igathingatwo na njira nene. Ningi ni acakaite aria othe matete mioyo yao oro ndumwe na endwa ao ni kumana na kinguki giki kia homa ya corona.
Now to be being issued by the Judicial Service Commission.
Mwere wa Kameme TV riboti yo yarikirira ntugukorwo tugikurehera wona yarikirira no karirikane mambura ma Jamhuri ni muthenya wa rucio twambiriria thigũkũ cia kirithimathi na mwaka mweru ni uthiete gicagi kana ni uthiete bara. Haya, muingi wa Ororongai Kuria gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Rongai kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mari mucemanio-ini na kuria maraheana mawoni wigie tabarĩra ya wikiri wa thitima na kuria ona ruhonge rwa NEMA rukuruhanĩtio thĩinĩ wa mambura maya. Mwandĩki witũ wa ng'ombe wa Maina arĩ mwena ũyũ na rĩu ndĩrenda tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru tumenye nĩ marĩkũ marathiĩ na mbere. Wa ng'ombe angĩkorwo nĩ ũranjigua geithĩka mĩarahũko ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ tumenyithie ũhoro ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere mwena ũcio wa kaunti ya Naikuru.
Thengio muno Kuria wa Gichimu na guku turi ni kundu gugu itura ria Ororongai guku ni Menengai West gicigo bunge kia Rongai kaunti ya Naikuru na ukuigwa Rongai na mwena wa rugongo kaunti ya Naikuru ni kundu kuikaine gukoragwo na mihango mingi muno ya wenji wa thitima makiria kuri kambuni ire itagwo ya GDC ni rekwo tugitabania mihango no kana tabarĩra cia wenji wa thitima okuma mwaka-ini wa 2012 kuria mukirima iguru kia Menengai na umuthi muingi wa itura riria Ororongai na uria ukirigiceirie kuria hi gutanyitwo ugitabanio tabarĩra cia wenji wa thitima mari ha thiini wa kiharo gia kanitha wa AIC muno wa Ororongai ukiheana woni wao wigimaine na uria mangienda maundu makorwo makimurikwo kana uria mangienda mihango ikorwo igithie na mbere ni kurikana thiini wa gatiba na watho wa bururi-ini ati ndungikorwo ugitabania tabarĩra o yothe kana mihango yothe hakuhi na muingi na ndwage kungania woni wa muingi hari uria mangienda maundu mao makorwo magithingicirwo kana mangienda mihango ikorwo igithingicirwo kiu nikio kirathi na mbere ihinda-ini riri na nigetha na gukumenyithania ati ni muingi ukoretwo ugiteta muno kana ukiuria ciuria cigimainie na miundu megimaine na kuna maundu maitu environment ma maturigiciria makiuga hi kwina maundu ma makoretwo tabarĩra ikoretwo igithii na mbere ha thiini ni ikoretwo ikiagarara mamwe ma mendekithia ma ruhonge rwa NEMA ma guthingatithia maundu ma kugitira maria maturigicirie undu uri na inegene undu na rukungu oro undu umwe na inegene rikana muira-ini wa thi nigetha gutaukwo hi kire gutaukwo mateta ma andu aya maria kirathi na mbere njitikiria ko nginyitanira na engineer uri umwe wa engineer thiini wa kambuni ira tabania itanyitwo ko igitabania mihango ino akorwo kimenyithia hi mamwe wa mateta maria muingi urakorwo ukirongoria kana ugiteta hi ni megũkorwo makimathingatithia na njĩra ĩrĩkũ ũngĩtĩkĩria mwĩrori wa Kameme TV tuko tukienda na udhemiri wa Githweri. Labda nimewasikiza hapo wananchi wakizungumza sana, kunao matetesi ambazo wako nazo kuhusiana na environment impact na ambao wanasema kwamba kuna kelele, wengine wanasema kwamba kuna mtetemeko ardhi wakati ile shughuli zinapokuwa zikiendelea. Tunatarajia shughuli zingine zinaweza kuwa zikiendelea kutoka sasa, labda baada ya mkutano kama huu. Kwa upande wa technical part of it, mnatarajia vipi kuangazia malalamisho ya wananchi na kuhakikisha kwamba hii kazi ambayo mnatarajia kufanya imefanyika kwa ajili ya sawa na wananchi waweza kubaliana nayo?
Asante sana. Kwa majina naitwa Moses Rotich. Mimi ni engineer katika kampuni inaitwa Social Energy. We are one of the independent power producers hapa Kenya. Na kwa maoni yangu kuhusiana na hali yale mambo yametajwa ya environmental, ile mambo ya noise, hiyo ya air pollution. Currently in the there's a new technology which you can use to mitigate those impacts. Yeah, noise we either use a scrubber or use even a new technology ile inaitwa wellhead technology. Hii ni teknolojia mpya ambapo baada ya kuchimba ile shimo ile visima na upate mvuke, badala ya kutengeneza kile kitu inaitwa steam gathering system, unaiekelea tu juu hiyo kwa kisima juu na you can generate power. Lingine kama air pollution, hiyo the new technology nowadays you can use to detect and monitor all the air pollution up to a certain level required by NEMA. So mambo haya hata yale yanasema ya matatamiko ya ardhi na ukitumia teknolojia mpya kuchimba hiyo visima, na inachukua muda mfupi tu kuchimba kisima, kama muda kama kutoka siku kama 14 umemaliza haya mambo na umeenda to another level, another stage. Yes.
Kuna ile ambao wameweza kuangazia saizi tu wakizungumza akisema ile ya air pollution, hasa wakizungumzia kuhusu hewa. Wanasema kwamba kuna wakati mwingine ile inakuwa covered na hewa ambayo ni kama ile ya maji ambayo yameoza. Yes. Hali ni hivyo, na labda mnaangaziaje kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanaendelea kuishi vizuri?
Yes. Hii hewa inaitwa, ukiangalia kwa any field, ukiangalia kwa dunia mzima, ukienda kama ni Indonesia, Japan, ya Kenya na neighboring countries wenye wanafanya geothermal, inaemit hiyo kitu inaitwa hydrogen sulfide, iko na harufu kama ya mayai. Lakini scientifically this hydrogen sulfide can be mitigated. There are instruments which you can use and you can detect huwa levels yake kuna kitu inaitwa condenser. Unaweka ina disperse before it does that, ina come into contact to the ile kitu maji, ina oxidize, so ina reduce ile level yake, inaenda chini kufikia kiwango ile neema inakubalika duniani na other world standards.
Labda tukimalizia, matarajio, mnatarajia kupata mwafaka kutoka kwa kati yenu na pia na wananchi?
Leo ni siku nzuri kwa sababu leo tunataka kusikia maoni ya wananchi, na pia sisi kama engineers, wengine ni engineers, geophysicists, geologists, tutawaeleza ni njia gani yenye tutatumia kumitigate hiyo, kama ni hydrogen sulfide, kama ni hiyo mambo ya wamesema ila trema, vitu kama hizo, ndio waelewa kuwa hii mambo huwa iko scientifically it can be mitigated na hii miradi itaendelea mbele. Asante.
Uroreri wa Kameme TV na ni waiguira ni mutaramu wa maundu mege maine na weji wa thitima marima ma thitima na ria kiuga thiini kuma kambuni ikoretwo iri na igweta thiini wa bururi hari gutabania wa weji wa marima ma thitima. Riboti ino ya muthenya umuthi na ria ndakumenyithia ati kwina atongoria mareketie gwikinya kuma matura ma marigiceirie muno wa Naikuru, kuri na mubunge wa gicigo kia mbunge gia Thubukio Rondomwe na mbunge ya guthukio mubunge mwa guthukio na atongoria angi matiganite nginyagia athirikari na maikite guthikiriria muingi na makire muno ruhonge rwa NEMA nigetha gukorwo gitara hi mitaratara no gukorwo githingatithio na njira iriku maria mothe meko magithina na bena kwario ha tuko tukikuhariria mathaini macio magi kana mohoro macio magi mekurumira na gukurehera riboti ino na njira ire yagithire ndiramenya kwenda ndakorwo ngimenyithio ngoro ngigutwa ngikuneana no njitikiria na gitio kinene ngicokia moro mono rungi wa studio kuri mundu ugitwo Kuria wa Gichimu kuma kaunti ino Naikuru ritwa ria kwa Ngetwo wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.
Kaunti ya Naikuru ni undu wa gutumenyithia riboti eyo na tucokereria riboti ya muthenya wa rucio muthenya wa Jamhuri na ni ati mehariria mothe magutabania igongona ria mambura ma Jamhuri muthenya wa rucio riu ni marikireire. County Commissioner wa guku Nairobi James Kianda niyo heanite uhoro uyu akiuga ati ihingo ya igongona riri mitaratara yothe ya kuhitana na murimu wa COVID-19 negathingatwo na njira nene. Ningi ni acakaite aria othe moritwo ni endwa ao kumana na king'uki giki kia homa ya corona.
Tomorrow, we are going to be celebrating our 57th celebration of Jamhuri at Nyayo National Stadium. I would like to confirm on behalf of the chairman of the organizing committee of this event, Dr. Karanja Kibichu, the principal secretary in charge of Interior and Citizen Services, that we have done elaborate preparations for this event and that all issues and every activity that pertains to the preparation of this event has been done. And we are therefore ready to celebrate this event at the Nyayo National Stadium tomorrow morning. We will obviously be led by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya in this event. And the activities will start from the 7th in the morning, that is when we expect those who are going to be attending this event to come. And then the activities of the celebrations are going to start from 9 a.m. in the morning, and we hope to be through by 1 to 2 p.m.
Kakwendera honanie happy Jamhuri Day muthenya wa rucio na mbere ya igikinyite mambura riu ni mambia kununga cabaci ni ciambia kununga na kiki gikirugagwo muno mambura-ini ma thiguku. Governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga uria wekaine ta Ann Mobi riu ni ateteire riboti ya BBI akiuga ati iri na matanya mega kuri bururi wa Kenya na ningi ni irahe atumia mweke wa utongoria iguru aritio uhingo iri aratugagwo na eta mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya ari agema kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Ni hindi ya igongona ria gutua Governor Mobi wa iguru mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya ari a ruriri muciini gwake mwena wa Kagio kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Governor wa iguru akioya kanya gaka gutetera riboti ya BBI iria arauga ni guteithiria ari kurehe muingi wa bururi hamwe na gutigirira gutire koragwo na ngai hathutha wa ithurano.
Korwo kwi andu irateithia ni andu ariku no tore tutangiaria no mundu uria munyitireire nigu muhitukia maundu manyu no ni handshake ni makana tima uria uraregana na nyamu ino iramurehera indo ri no
Waiguru niongereire ati no nginyagia atumia maheo mieke ya gutongoria bururi ta uria riboti eno erendekithia.
Tutiri aige. Women governors are 2 out of 47. A whole country. And because of what I've recently gone through, even some people who I knew wanted to stand for women governor have told me, Mimi, simami wacha nikae bunge. Because of the difficulties. So when we are this few, let us uphold each other. I promise to do my part, to resource, to network.
To carry Uhoro women leadership, we forget very easily. When men talk about themselves, they have history. Nimaragi Uhoro history yao. No, women leadership, sometimes we forget. Kana toka mhetukira juju. We don't talk about impact of what women do in public service.
Mwena-ini wao mbeu njithi kuma gikundi-ini kia aria ruriri makiranira kunyita mbaru riboti ya BBI iria marauga onao ni marumbuiite.
Ni gutia history iyo ya kumenya ati hena angi me mbere itu na kwenda muno matunyite guoko matunyite mbaru tukithi na mbere na kuruta wira uyu ri onao matuhe ugi uria makoretwo accumulated thiko icio ciothe makoretwo kuo matuteithie guthi na njira iria yagireire na gwika maundu maria magirire ona ma ugikuyu na nikio twi guku muthi tondu ni turaikarire thi na turacira na gutire mutumia mwari ungi wa ruriri ukinyite level iria governor wa Kirinyaga akinyite.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Gitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.
Bururi riu ni uracakaya gikuo gia seneta wa kaunti ya Machakos uria ukaine ta Boniface Kabaka na uria urahurukire umuthi wadi-ini ya ICU thibitari-ini wa Nairobi kuria aramukagira motungata ma urigitani na one thutha wake kugwa na kwirigwa ri nyumba-ini imwe guku mucii wa Nairobi gatano ga kiumia kihituku. No na kuhana uguo mutumia omwe uria kurerikana mari na mutigaire hingo iria agoire na kwirigwo kiumia kihituku riu ni ararekereirio ni igoti na one thutha wa uthuthuria kuonania seneta uyu ndoragirwo ni thumu. Tuthie kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua na kuria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua riu ni ubete bodi ya kugacirithia weigithia orondo umwe na guthugunda njira cia guthondeka utonga wa kaunti iyo undo umwe na guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi a kaunti ya Nyandarua. Governor Francis Kimemia akiruguria bodi ino augite ati bodi ino ni kunyita itemi rinene hari kugacirithia miturire ya arimi aingi a kaunti ino guku ningi ithingatite ati muingi wa kaunti ino guthie na mbere kunyita mbaru riboti ya BBI kuna ni gutwara mbeca kaunti-ini
ya board kutawira na departments kwa mungu ataututeithia niguo na mheshimiwa Kioni uguo roiga tuthondeke utonga thiini wa county ndakondera ndoya mheshimiwa Kioni hati bata kugia na cabinet na board ici ciothe tuthondekete kana municipality kana ya public service kana irigi tuthondekete guku aikuru tuzikuongerera mbeca mĩhuko-inĩ ya wananchi matia nabata na maundu macio maingi na githungu na githweri na ndunyi marangwaji macio mothe maenda kumenyekana iria nĩ kwendio mbeca njega kana atu andu aitu iria rĩ kuma mbeca cigana waru citu cikwendio mbeca cigana mboga citu ikwendio cigana iyo turaciumagira ndathie kina nguvu mboga ciothe ireire mugunda itingĩendeka gũtirĩ market. How can we get market, Mr. Gitura? Oh no, chairman board Rugambai board, the new board. Oh no, chairman wa board.
Trade and Investment Authority. Hiyo ya twathondekirwo muthi ni governor. If we do not have a stable country, gutiri kundu mandu mako invest. They will have no work to do if we don't have a stable country. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema kwamba ni vizuri tuiunge mkono. Tuunge kazi inafanywa na governor mkono na pia tuunge BBI mkono ili kazi ambayo wanaanzisha iweze kuonekana baada ya miaka ambayo Mwenyezi Mungu atatupa. Na ndauga rege atiriri tutigaite tugeke atia tutigaite tukionoria.
Naruo ruhonge rwa utungata wa mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ NYS nĩrugĩte atĩ nĩmegũkorwo makĩrĩha mathirĩ ma mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 15 kũrĩ andũ arĩa makoretwo magĩtwara indo citiganĩte. Akĩaria hingo ya kwamũkĩra makurutu kambĩ-inĩ ya Gilgil, Minister wa utungata wa mũingĩ ũndũ ũmwe na Jeda ũrĩa wĩkaine ta Margaret Kobia augĩte atĩ harĩ na makĩria ma tenda cia mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 1 cia ngungo na iria ene mategũkorwo makĩrĩhwo kĩndũ ona kĩ, kuona gũtirĩ kĩndũ matwarire thĩinĩ wa rũhonge rũrũ.
Ajili ya kampuni yetu ya kushona sare pale Nairobi yetu ya National Service Bank chini ya uongozi wake Director of Music wameweza kuandalia tamasha la mafunzo ambayo
Right now, Madam CS, I gave you a report just a week ago that we have finalized analyzing of the pending bills. And when I saw these children, because out of the pending bills we gave you, Madam CS, of 15 billion, we have another almost $1 billion of vouchers we rejected because they were fake and because people are claiming things they hadn't delivered. When I saw these children this morning, I asked, what kind of a man or woman would bring something not real and want to get money from these children? And I'm appealing to any Kenyan, if you're out there and you have a heart sitting in your chest, and you know you have any voucher you have presented to the government that is fake, or you are requesting to be paid for goods you have not delivered, please come and take back your voucher. For the sake of your heart, for the sake of these children, for the sake of our nation, Kenya.
Now we have a council, a governance council of National Youth Service, which has got our audit committee, which sits down and tells what can be paid. And once we have done, they are verified, we take to National Treasury, where our pending bills, the multi-agency committee verifies all the bills. The multi-agency pending bills committee has verified 15 billion. Which the government is going to budget and pay. I may not be able to say exactly when we are going to pay, but it is going to go to the next financial year budget.
Merari wa Kameme TV hau niho tugukorwo tugikinyia mohoro gitaũ mĩarahũko ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Nĩ ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa gwĩtĩkĩra gũtũcagũra. Cokereria rĩu mĩhang'o-inĩ yaku ya oro mũthenya, no ũkorwo nĩ mũthenya waku wa kũhurũka, no ũgĩkenerere tabarĩra iria cirũmĩrĩire cia Karavation ya Kameme TV. Tũgũcemania rĩngĩ thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ, gĩa na mĩarahũko mĩega. Niĩ njĩtagwo Gichimu, tuma na mwarĩ wa Mwangi, na nĩ tũkuonana mathaa macio mangĩ.